Do you often forget names, misplace your keys, or blank out during exams? What if I told you your brain could remember more faster and longer with just a few simple tricks? Today on Brainy Bits, we will unlock 10 science backed memory hacks that will help you boost focus, recall details, and train your brain to think sharper than ever before. Let's dive into the power of your mind. The first one, the chunking technique. Your brain struggles with random information, but it loves patterns. Chunking means grouping data into smaller, meaningful parts. For example, remembering 473920 becomes easier as 473920. This is how your brain naturally processes phone numbers, languages, and even faces. The second one, listening to music, especially classical. Music can supercharge your memory. Studies show that the classical music, especially Mozart, enhances concentration and learning retention. So, next time you study or work, play soft instrumental or binaural beats to keep your brain active and calm. The third one, feed your brain right. Your memory depends on what you eat. Foods like blueberries, walnuts, fatty fish, and dark chocolate are brain superfoods, packed with omega 3s and antioxidants that protect neurons and improve recall. Remember, a sharp memory starts with a smart diet. Fourth one, sleep, your memory's best friend. When you sleep, your brain files and stores new information, like saving data on a hard drive. Skipping sleep means your memories don't stick. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly. It's when your brain sorts, connects, and strengthens everything you would learn. Fifth one, meditation for mental clarity. Meditation isn't just for calm, it actually thickens your brain's hippocampus, the center of learning and memory. Even 10 minutes a day boosts focus, reduces stress, and helps recall information faster. The sixth one, write things down by hand. Typing is fast, but handwriting strengthens memory. When you write, your brain engages multiple senses touch, motion, and vision, helping you remember deeply. So, next time you learn something new, write it down. The seventh one, take regular nature walks. Nature literally resets your brain. Studies show that working in green spaces boosts creativity and improves working memory by up to 20%. So step outside. Your next great idea might come from a stroll in the park. The eighth one, teach what you learn. The best way to remember something, teach it. Explaining new information out loud reinforces your understanding and locks it into long term memory. So, share what you know with a friend, a mirror, or even your pet. The ninth one, use visualization techniques. Your brain remembers images far better than words. Turn names, dates, and facts into vivid mental pictures. The crazier, the better. Visualization turns information into unforgettable stories in your mind. The tenth one, exercise regularly. Physical movement increases blood flow to the brain, improving memory and focus. Just 20 minutes of daily exercise, walking, yoga, or dancing can dramatically improve cognitive health and recall speed. Here's a secret bonus tip, laugh more. Laughter releases dopamine, the feel good chemical that enhances learning and motivation. A happy brain remembers better. So, next time you study or work, don't forget to smile. Your brain will thank you. Your memory isn't fixed, it's a muscle. Feed it, train it, and challenge it every day. And you will unlock a sharper, smarter version of yourself. Which of these tricks will you try first? Tell us in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more brain boosting videos every week only on Brainy Bits.